In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically translate web pages in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you browse websites in other languages and want Chrome to help you understand the page instantly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn on translation, open a foreign language website, and translate it with just one click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu and then select Settings from the drop-down list. This is where Chrome keeps all of its browser options, including language and translation settings. Now on the settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click Languages. This section controls how Chrome handles different languages, including website translation. Here, find the option labeled Use Google Translate. Turn this setting on. Once it's enabled, Chrome can automatically offer to translate web pages that are written in a different language. Now go ahead and open a website that is written in another language. For example, this could be a news site, blog, or article in Spanish, French, German, or any other language you don't understand. As soon as Chrome detects the foreign language, you should see a translation pop-up appear near the address bar. This pop-up usually gives you translation options right away. To translate the page, click on the language you want to translate from the pop-up. Chrome will then convert the page into your selected language, and you can start reading it immediately. If the pop-up doesn't appear automatically, you can usually right-click the page or use the translate option in the browser menu to bring it up manually. And that's it. You've now learned how to automatically translate web pages in Chrome and make foreign language content much easier to read. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.